Today, we will create a tabular report template and then generate a PDF report from it. So let's get started.
First, we will log in to our Oracle Apex workspace.
Now go to the page in your application where you want to use MaxPrint plugin.
First, create a button and name it to MaxPrint V2. Now add a dynamic action and name it as you like. We're choosing Tabular Report in this demo.
Now, in true condition of dynamic action, select your installed MaxPrint_V2 plugin. Now you see the plugin settings. For SQL type, we will use Simple SQL. MaxPrint V2 also supports JSON Object SQL and Cursor SQL. Now we write our query in Query section. For convenience, we are just pasting it. Now we save and run. On the page where we created the button, click our MaxPrint V2 plugin button. We can also select the built-in Tabular Template, which is pre-configured with basic tabular report format.
But in this demo, we are choosing blank template for better understanding.
Now press Continue. Now drag and drop text element onto the canvas and adjust its properties as shown. Now search for table element and drag it onto the canvas. Increase number of columns of the table and then bind the table with the resultant data we received of our query from Oracle Apex imported data.report. Adjust the labels, width of columns, and then preview your work and adjust accordingly. Click the table element and go to Layout and select Bold to bold all the labels of columns. Copy the template ID from Copy button, which is right beside the template name, and save the template. Now go back into Oracle Apex where you were using MaxPrint V2 plugin. Now for Action option, we will select Edit option. Now in Template Source, we will select Template ID as source, and in Template ID section, paste the copied template ID. Now save the changes and press the Plugin button again on the application page.
We will be redirected to MaxPrint Designer and our saved template will be opened. After making any changes to the template, save the template and copy the template ID. Now go back to your application page in Oracle Apex. Select Run option from Actions in Settings. This is used for generating PDF reports.
Set output file name, which you want here. It is Tabular Report.
Now save and go to our Apex application and press the MaxPrint V2 plugin button to download the PDF report file.